And that's how you get your interior clean quickly.
We'll use that.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oftentimes when you go to clean your interior, you don't have a lot of time. You're gonna be jumping in your car, going to the ballet with your in-laws. Maybe you're going on date night to the Grizzly Rose in Denver. There's a few things that you can do that can get you through an interior detailer very quickly. Number one, a quick vacuum. Number two, blow out your interior. I know it sounds weird, but I guarantee you it's very effective. Now, number three, interior detailer, okay? That's gonna help restore the richness and color of your interior and make it look amazing. Number four, total interior cleaner, okay? You're gonna have that on your hip, so when you find a spot of maybe food residue or a little bit of oil from fingerprints and stuff, you can cut through it with the cleaner. And the interior cleaner also works amazing on the glass as well as the nav screen. So number one, a quick vacuum. I focus on the carpeted areas, mainly where the floor mats are. Maybe I'll take the floor mats out, vacuum them really quick. Now the floor mats weren't all that dirty, so instead of vacuuming them, I'm just blowing them off really quick. Now on a big SUV like this, you can take the attachments that come with the inner vacuum, put it on, and on big broad surfaces like on this SUV, you can do a lot of work quickly. Then once I'm done with that, I'll set the vacuum aside. Number two, doing the blower, okay? That might seem crazy, right? Use the air cannon to blow out your interior. Look, blowing out your interior is one of the fastest ways to get loose debris out of your interior. Make sure that while you do that, you angle it so it blows the debris out of the doors. That's why I like to open every single door in my interior before I do that, okay? So all the loose crumbs in the seats, all the dust on the dash, you can take the blower, blow it out, angle it, it will go out of the car for the most part, which is gonna make the next step much easier. Now, the next step, interior detailer, okay? I like to take this, go around the whole interior, starting with the cockpit first, moving to the passenger seat, and then I'll move to the back, okay? The interior detailer has SPF, but it also has conditioning elements to it. So what it's gonna do is feed your leather interior or your vinyl or plastic interior. It's gonna make the color of it more rich, which is gonna be more presentable for the people getting into your car or just for yourself to have a nice clean interior. But the thing is, it doesn't have the cleaning power that Total Interior Cleaner has. So I also have Total Interior Cleaner with me, which if I run into an area where there's food residue or something that interior detailer can't cut through, I hit a quick shot of the Total Interior Cleaner, hit it with my edgeless utility towel, boom, it's cut through. Now this seat on the back is extremely dirty, okay? Clearly somebody was eating greasy chicken and touched their fingers on here. In this case, I'm actually gonna blast this down with Total Interior Cleaner, and there's a little bit of stuff on the carpeted area here, and Total Interior Cleaner can actually go after that as well. So take the cleaner and start blasting it down. I'm gonna make sure and go back over this with the interior detailer just to restore that richness in the color of the seat. Sometimes you'll run into this issue, which you have dried sunscreen on the seat. You might need to use more of a scrubber for that. So I have the Adams Interior Scrubbing Sponge. I'll spray the interior detailer directly onto the seat, scrub it with this, wipe it off with the edgeless utility towel, and it will be perfect. Now with this climate control area infotainment system, just below the nav screen, there's a lot of panel black here. So the interior detailer, what's gonna look like is when you wipe it on here, it's gonna be a little bit streaky. So the next time you come back after this dries, you can just take a fresh edgeless utility towel and wipe it away and it'll be perfect. The nav screen I'm gonna leave for last because if I start wiping it now, it's gonna be all streaky like that. So I'll save that and I'll hit the glass and the nav screen last, just as a final touch to make everything crisp and looking amazing. As you can see, doing a quick interior detail can be easy. Now realize it's not thorough, okay? And especially with leather interior, there are those times when you need to do a full cleaning and a full conditioning, either using Adams Polish's leather conditioner or If your leather is looking very chalky or dry, you want to use the leather rejuvenation oil to really feed the moisture back into it. Here's the thing, what we're trying to achieve here is presentation. Your in-laws aren't going to be checking everything under the seat, so you don't necessarily have to address that now, okay? You can do that when you have more time to do a full interior detailer. And here's the thing, the way your interior looks represents you. You want to respect the things you have, you want to keep them clean, and when you're in a pinch, you can do this process quick, keeping your interior looking amazing.